In front of me is iPhone 16i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom. Then to add a new one, use this plus at the top right corner and set up an hour. Then hit repeat and pick days of the week. Go back, select label to name it, hit sound, and over here select one of those available ringtones. Tap on pick a song to select any of your songs from your library, or pick one of those store options. You can also hit haptics at the top and pick one of those vibration patterns. Disable vibrations completely by selecting none. Hit synchronize to synchronize it with current default melody, or select one of those custom patterns options. You can click on one of your previously created patterns or hit create new vibration pattern, tap it here, choose stop at the bottom right corner, listen to it by hitting play at the bottom left one, re-record it by hitting record again, discard it by hitting cancel at the top left corner, or saving it by hitting save at the top right one. Then name it and hit save in the pop-up. Tap on it to apply it. Go back and use the switcher next to snooze to turn it off or on. Then to finally save your new alarm, hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To manage it, click on it, adjust whatever you want to, and hit save to save your changes. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it, and to get rid of it, click on it and choose delete alarm. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!